Satya sir, you are on mute.
So please unmute yourself.
Yes, yes, Peish. Just, are you able to hear me then?
Yes, sir, we are able to hear.
Great, great.
Sir, can we ask our doubts in the session?
Sure, 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 definitely.
Sir, your voice is low. Can you please speak
Okay,
loud?
okay. Is it audible now?
Yeah, sir, you are audible.
Fine.
Now, okay, sir.
Yes, tell me. You said some kind of clarification. Tell me.
My doubt in string and character and list and records.
That's what we are working on this session today only. That within 1 or 2 minutes I'll start it. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Hope we can start it. Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir, start.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday you have been worked on that various basic things which you have been already worked. Okay. So that is about different logical operators, maybe and or, and some of that relational and comparison operators. So let me start with this today, the continuation of that yesterday's session. So let me start with the first one is that strings and characters. So basically it is telling you that it's a sequence of characters. It's very simple. So you have a collection which might include alphabets. Okay. So, and it might include that numbers inside, and it include that special characters also. If you could look at this part is, it's all combination of alphabets, and you have combination of numbers and one alphabet, you can find it that F. And here some of the hello, special character is also included, something like, yeah, you're audible. So this collection of characters are definitely enclosed in a double code, or it might be sometimes it's a single character we are enclosing in single code, single quotation, what exactly it is. So the most suitable operation we do on that strings or characters is that equality checking. Remember, it's a equality. Remember, make sure that it's a equality. So equality is checking of the relation or comparison, not the storing of value. So here it is a double equal to is used. It stands for that we are checking the equality of two strings. Like your vehicle number is there. So you might have a registered number for your vehicle, and I might have a registered number for my vehicle. So both of them whether it is same or different, we want to check it, whether it is not equal or equal. That's okay, it works. But whenever you compare it, something like less than and greater than, so it doesn't make a sense. So that is called string and character. So if it is a string, it definitely enclosed in double quotes. So somebody thought it, if a number is enclosed as a string, something like this, what it is different with a normal 67. Definitely both are different. So what way they are different, this thing allows you that
Integer.
arithmetic operations, like, yeah, integer, sure. And it allows you that arithmetic operations, something like addition, subtraction, and you can do less than, greater than, relational operators. We can do on this. But whenever this one, it's a pure string, we cannot do any kind of arithmetic operation. We cannot do plus or minus on this. Only we can do that equality checking, or sometimes it is not equal to. So I hope you understand what exactly the string is. So each particular character is represented like a ASCII value. Of course, that is different issue. So where you learn it, whenever you are learning that a particular programming language or something like, then you'll understand what really ASCII means. That right now the representation of the string is definitely enclosed in a double quote or single quote. So inside the string, you might have the sequence of characters, like, this is first character, this is second character, third character, keep going. So this is what exactly the string stands for. So please let me know that any clarification on the string, if you have.
Shubhi here. Can I ask something?
Hello?
Shubhi here. Can I ask something?
Yeah, you can.
So, if it is single number like 6 and it is like quoted with the double inverted commas, then it is also be a string, na?
Exactly, it's a string. So because the string welcomes you that any kind of content inside, any kind of key character from the keyboard, so that you can put numbers, you can put alphabets, you can put that any special characters also. But the number, if you put it inside that strings, is fixed. It is a string, but it does not allow that any kind of arithmetic operation, just only stores like a string. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anybody else on the strings? So I'm going for that sub data types of the basic data types. Already you familiar with some of the data types, like, you familiar with integer data type. So each of the data type have the different sub data types also, like, so in terms of the range, look at that. If it is integer is considered, it has some specific range and some specific operations only it allows, which you already learned in the earlier session. So we cannot do other operations on the integer, something like if you are trying to do that. So that operations and that limitations are there for every data type, not only for the string, any kind of it. So let me go for that sequence number. This is one sub data type of the integer. So what exactly is integer? Is a basic data type. From that, we have created a sub data type called sequence number. This sequence number for the unique identification may be something like, so at this time you are ranging that sequence number 0 to the maximum number. If you consider that March data set, the scorecard data set, you can find that serial number is 0 to 29. So this is some reasonable number. For example, someone takes that there might be employee number in the company. So you might have the ranging from, so 101 to, so 102, something like that. So there are two employees, maybe it looks like that. So some range is given. So the operation, so none of the integer operation makes sense actually, the sequence number, because sequence number is a unique identification. So whenever unique identification is there, the most suitable operation is equality. So we don't check that something like greater than, less than. So the particular sequence number, we check it that greater than, less than. Some situations we check it. Like, 0 to 29 cards is there. I want to pick it up only the cards from 0 to 9. So at that time, you might have to use one operator. What is that operator is suitable here?
Less than equal to.
Yes. So we are trying that 0 to 9 less than actually what is. So the 0 is the serial number is definitely less than or equal to 9. We are extracting. So definitely it extracts that 0 to 9. So most suitable operation is this. But sometimes as and when it's required, we want to pick up a pool of cards, picking up a handy cards, a collection of 3 or 4 cards, a specific range of it. So at that time, we specify that less than greater than also. And here is the best example which matches to the range. Look at this one. So you have 3 subjects of marks is there. You have a maths marks is there, you have physics, and you have chemistry. So sometimes the marks are different numbers are there, like 77, you might have 33, you might have 67. So I want to find out that 60 to 80. So at that time, you can apply the range on this particular marks also. And some operations we do that on the marks, addition and subtraction. So somebody wants to get that sum of that maths plus physics plus chemistry, something like 3 marks is there of a student of a card number 1. I want to pick all these totals. So at that time, we use that arithmetic operators also. So the marks is there. The marks is a subdata type of the integer. So integer allows you that some kind of arithmetic operations and relational or comparison operators. Same operators, we can use it on the subdata type also, but based on the real-time scenario, which scenario you want to perform, like a real-time case. So this particular case, we require to do that addition. This required case, we need to do that. For example, I want to find out that highest of these 3 marks, like in the maths and physics and chemistry marks, I would like to find out who is the highest one. So at that one, so out of these 3 elements, I want to find out that, so which of them is bigger one. So at that, we have to go for that relational operators like less than, greater than. So something like this, less than or equal to. So this is what exactly the sub-basic data types of that integer. This is exclusively sub-basic data types of integer. I hope you understand it based on the data sets provided.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
how
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somebody is asking.
how sequence number is an integer data type, as none of the integer operation makes sense here.
None of the integer operations, no. So sometimes, like the range of cards, actually such kind of operation you may not do it. See, I said already one example, like you have the 1,000 employees are there.
Yes, sir.
So you have the sequence number to 0 to 999.
Yes.
And I want to pick up that the serial numbers, the employee numbers, like 1012 to 110. So
Yes,
at
sir.
the time, we supposed to use that less than or greater than operator, something like that.
Okay. So, sir, here what is the difference between string and the sequence number, which is integer data type?
Yes, string, it does not allow you that other than it is storing. That's, or for example, this 101 you stored like a string. Okay. Then, sorry, this 101 I stored like it is. Wait. So this 101 I'm storing like a string. Okay. Fine. So this particular one, it can be used to pick up that employee number where his number is equal to 101 only. But we cannot check that less than greater than operators because it is enclosed in double quotes. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It means in integer data type, where employee number is outside of string,
Yes.
we can find out greater than and less than.
Exactly.
Where in string we cannot find that.
Yeah. Even you
Okay, so
store
is the difference.
because the string is a freedom of storing that any kind of characters from the keyboard. Any kind of characters. But integer data type does not have the freedom of storing any kind of character. It allows you that the 0 to 9 numerics only. I hope you found it.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, any number enclosed by a single inverted comma, it is a string or not?
Yeah, single quotation, single inverted commas, you are putting it is a string. See, some particular languages, they are telling you that single quotation is going to be a character and double quotation is going to be a string. Some particular programming languages, if you think about C or C++. Now we don't consider about that C or C++. Single quotation, if you put it that a one digit of value, let it consider like a character right now. One character. I hope you understand.
Okay, sir.
One character also, you cannot perform that other arithmetic.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Hello?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, a string any character under double quotation. Yeah.
Any character in double quotation means we say that it's a collection of characters. So what exactly here is, if
Okay,
you're
sir.
putting this a sequence of characters, then we are make sure double quotes. And if
Okay,
you're
sir.
putting it single quotation and only one character, this is a character. So for easy understanding,
Okay,
oh,
sir.
this is a character.
Also two
Yeah.
characters enclosed by
Yeah, so
inverted
now I'm
comma.
getting-
Done.
Yeah, two characters, we can do that A and B. So that more than one, we are making it is double quote.
Sir, in string operations, we
Here
cannot
this-
perform the
sir,
arithmetic
here we
operations
include
like
by-
plus, minus, but
Exactly.
we can
Inverted
only
comma,
store
done.
it like in equality function for the equality
Yes.
functions.
Yes. Character and string, both of them, we can say most of the situations, it's a synonyms,
Yes, sir.
except the representation format.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand.
Sir, but in character, like we can only store single entity in a single element, like
Yeah, character A or Z or
We do take
something.
single elements, right?
Single
So, sir,
element.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
single
So,
character.
yesterday, sir was teaching and like MA was like in character is a character, sir. MA like M dot A.
Yes. Actually, see, that's what I said, characters and strings, both of them calling as synonyms. For example, if you think about that, the Python, so in this Python, you store the string in double quotes or single quotes, doesn't make a problem.
So Python is not sensitive to that, right?
Yes, exactly. Some languages, they are very particularly, they think about that syntaxes. More than one character is double quote, single character is single quote. But here we don't worry about that, what kind of character we are using for enclosing. I must understand it. Hello?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
you
sir.
store that one character or multiple characters, the allowed operation is only is equal, no? That's equality, sorry. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So making a single code, it does not mean that it allows you that any arithmetic operation. So there are no issues then, both of them are called as synonyms. Only for understanding purpose, some languages are providing single code and double code is a different kind of syntax. That's it. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Yeah,
Sir, why we need a subtype of integer?
exactly.
Because-
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
See, as and when you create one particular subdata type based on your real-time case study, like, you are doing one shopping bills data set. So in that, you have the store name is there. The store name definitely a subdata type of that string data type.
Yes, sir.
Right there. So that as and when you think that particular property, this particular property, you must be able to choose that correct basic data type for that. I hope that you have one property called age. You have that age, no?
That property?
Yes,
Which
property
property?
means that subdata type. What do you call it? Your property means what? Your attribute, one of your characteristic. Maybe
Yeah, sir.
if you are thinking about that shopping bills data set, you have one property or one attribute or one field, we call that shop name. The shop name is definitely combination of alphabets,
Yes, sir.
So when it is combination of alphabets, which basic data type you store it? Tell me then.
String.
Which basic data type? Which one?
String. It's string one.
Exactly,
String.
because it's a collection of characters. For example, you are thinking about one particular data called marks. So it has to be derived from a basic data type. So which basic data type is suitable for it? Because always we store in these numbers only.
Integer. Integer.
So
Integer.
that
Integer, it will be integer.
exactly. So what do you call this basic data type? It is going to be a superordinate to the subordinate of the sequence number and marks. I hope you understand basic data types. Sorry, sub data types.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand them?
Yes.
Now, now we have see, look at that. Some of the sub data types which are transformation also, we have to think about it. Look, you know, this 15th January is a string because it's a combination of alphabets.
Alphanumeric.
Yes,
Alphanumeric.
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 Exactly. So this is a sub data type of the string. Definitely we can say that one. Because it is
No, but
enclosed in
here
double.
it is not enclosed with the double inverted commas like in
Yeah,
question.
it is enclosed. No. Maybe here they haven't given, but here I'm
Okay.
giving you that. Okay.
Okay.
So it is definitely enclosed in double quote. So because it's a string data type, it is derived from string. String is a basic data type from that. So here it is, what will be the date after 3 days? So exactly it's going to be that 18th Jan. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then how this one is transformed to recognize in the computer system, let it be them, because computer system always allows that zeros and ones and numbers only. So look at this. So you have that a non-leap year. So always the lower bound we are considering, this is called lower bound or lower value, starts from 0. Understand it? Upper bound is maximum minus 1. Maximum minus 1.
-1.
So if it is a non-leap year, you have that 365 days. Understand that? So if you start that 0 to 364, it's a total count is that 365. Understand this one? So that 1st January is internally represented as 0. And 2nd January is represented as 1. 3rd January is represented as 2. Why I'm telling is, for example, I want to compare 2 date of births. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Date of
Yes,
birth
sir.
of first student, and I'm comparing with date of birth of second student. And I want to find out that who is younger and who is elder. So at that time, I supposed to use less than or greater than, something like that. So then you required that. So any kind of numerical internal representation. This is called transformation of subdata types. So here one more example they have given. See, look at 15th January, it is transferred to integer value 14. And
Yes.
whenever you are adding 3 for the 14, it's going to be 17. So 18th January, it is represented as 17. So then you can do that any kind of relational operators like is equal to, you can do absolutely, it's a string, we can do it. Less than we can do, greater than we can do, less than or equal to, because of this internal transformation. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, very good.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes that string data type, it's going to be transferred or it might be that converted into the integer or sortable data type where the comparisons are allowed. Because while you are working with the cards data set of any kind of, like, you know, student cards like marks data, you want to compare that the date of birth field is there. At that time, you might get a clarification. The date of birth is a combination of numbers and alphabets. How can it check it? What is happening inside secret? So this is the secret, what is happening. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand. So
Yes,
this
sir.
kind of
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Single comma denoted by character, na sir?
See, that is only the flexibility of the programming language. Okay. Okay. So flexibility of programming language, or it might be the user that, like, you know, so now you said single code character C. Fine. Yeah. Tell me, what do
Yes,
you
sir.
want to do on this? What do you want to do on this? Any operation you want to do
Where, sir?
on the C, because single quotation, single
No,
quotation.
sir.
So if you want to do
Sir,
yeah.
here we do Boolean operation, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Boolean operation means, Boolean means it is a Boolean value. It is
Bool-
the
Booleans means equal to, less than, and greater than.
equality you can check it. Not equal you can check it. Sorry. So here not is, yeah. See, I can do that. Equality I can check it, and I can do that not equal to. So that whenever equal, it returns true. Whenever not equal, it returns false. So actually Boolean is a one data type. It's not an operation, for your kind information. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
The result
Yes,
of the
yes.
operation is Boolean.
Operation is and or.
Yes. And operator are logical operators, you know, and
Logical operators will be used, right?
yes.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes I want to give it that one particular character is A or Z. I want to do some action. It might be A or Z. So what I do is that it is A, or it might be Z. Do something here. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But on this particular one, I cannot do something like that, you know, A and operation Z. So one character, it cannot be the two things at a time. Like, you know, a particular variable you have taken A. So in that variable, you stored that C character. So either it could be that A or Z, it cannot be both of them. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So at
Yes,
that
sir.
time, you can use the AND condition, but it doesn't show any error. But this condition never achieved condition. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what actually single quotation, double quotation, both are synonyms in all kinds of operations, belongs to string. So simply we can say that it's a string. Okay. So
Okay,
string
sir.
is nothing but collection of characters.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So from where this class is going? In my calendar, this is from 4:30.
No, it's a 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. It is scheduled as per that, you know, calendar of the Google and as per the course dashboard only.
Excuse me, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, the link that has been provided on the calendar was not working actually. So people who have joined here either have used their, like, they might have. I just got a link from my friend. So there's some problem going on in the calendar, I guess.
Yeah, it's with the link.
Yeah,
You
I
can
also face same
directly
problem. Yeah.
So, but
you can
I
directly
joined
join by
the
pressing
session
the
from
join
the
button.
calendar link.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes, sir.
also
I am
got
joined
Hello?
calendar link, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Let me clear. So, yes, previously link was not working, but we have updated it, so that's why. Okay. So this thing will be the correct link now. We'll update in all the sessions, right? Upcoming sessions. Don't forget about it.
So,
it will work.
Yes, yeah.
can you
So don't forget.
give
Yeah,
us
yeah.
brief
Yes, sir.
introduction because we joined
Yeah, something
now.
late you are, something late you are. Hello?
Yeah, so
You are late for the session?
yes, sir, I'm late for the session because in the calendar this is mentioned
Fine.
from 4:30 o'clock.
Not issue then. I'll again recap this one. How many of you are there like this? Like how many? Hello? Only one or two or?
Me too, sir.
Me too, sir.
Sure. So, not issue then, not issue. I'll do that. I'll clear everything so that very quickly I can do it. So, not issue then. Yeah. See, I hope now everybody is present, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, fine. See, you look at that. When you compare that sequence of characters, or we can say that string, we start the today's session with strings. So, okay. Yeah, look at this one. So we have started with the first basically the sequence of characters, or we can call that is a string. So what exactly string is? It is a collection of characters, and make sure that this is a collection of alphabets, okay, and numbers, or it might be special characters. So all these things are enclosed in double code. That is called string. So look at that example. If you see that this IT Madras is going to be completely alphabets, and if you look at this hall ticket number, it's a combination of the register number is combination of numbers and one alphabetical character F. And similarly, if you go for this one, it's a combination of alphabets, numbers, and special characters also. But make sure that all these things are enclosed in double quote. So even you think about this register number, or it might be a title of the institute, or it might be any content. If it is enclosed in double quote, it's going to be a string. So here one thing you should understand. So most suitable operation on the strings is that equality. See, remember, it's a equality. It's not equal to. Equality is relational operator. What do you do? That relation checking. So we check that relationship. For example, we have that two registration numbers or two vehicle numbers. Your vehicle registration number, I want to compare with my registration number. So whether both are same or different. At that time, I might use that equality checking, or it might be I'm able to check that not equality also. Something like this. And one thing you should understand, other than this particular relation, equality or not equal to, you should not check it that less than, greater than. It does not make a sense. So checking of your vehicle number and my vehicle number greater than, less than does not make a sense. Like your name is Ram and my name is Ravi. So Ram less than Ravi does not make a sense. So that's the reason most suitable operation on the strings is that equal to and not equal to. And someone raised it. What happens that single quotation and double quotation? For easy understanding only, we use the single quotation for one character, double quotation for more than one character, like, so Ram. So it is more than one character, we use double quotation. But the operation wise, both of them are same. So either one character or multiple characters, it allows that operation is only the relational operation, equality and not equality. So it doesn't allow you that other operations, even you do it also, it does not make a sense. I hope you understand. Hello.
Yes, sir.
We have the
Yes,
special
sir.
character example.
Yeah,
Yes,
special
sir.
character
Yes, sir.
example is your hashtags you are tweeting in any kind of social networking. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you do
Yes,
that
sir.
hashtags then?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, then what is difference between character data type and string data type? Sir, it is seem very similar, sir.
Yes, both of them is same, but single character is called character data type. But actually in the language, when you enter into a programming language, then there is a micro level operations on the character and different operations on string. But if you learn it here, no use. Understand that?
Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
So right now we say that both of them are synonyms. What operation we can do is only the relational operator, equality and not equality.
Does it mean that string data type is a subset of all characters?
Exactly. That's what it's a collection of characters. Collection of characters.
Okay.
It's a combination of characters. Like you are doing your surname, prefixing and dot, and then followed by your actual name. So all these combinations.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So now we are going for basic data types and its sub data types. The basic data types are there. See, they restrict the basic data types in terms of the ranges and constraints of their operation. See, the basic data types are already available. Like you learned already, integer data type. You have seen the last session is the Boolean data type also. So you have seen that now, just now you learned that string data type also. So from the basic data type, we are able to create sub data types also. So what really sub data type is? So the data which you are storing based on the name of it, based on the character of it, based on the attribute and property, behavior of it, what data type it can be. So look at that, the sequence number, it's always storing the numbers from 0 to max. Like if you think about your scores data set, in that you can find the card number 0 to 29. Total 30 cards are there. A reasonable integer number is there. So this sequence number is a derived data type from integer. So basic data type is integer, sub data type is sequence number. So on the sequence number, we can perform that equality operation. Like suddenly I want to pick up one particular card which is having the sequence number is 13. Frankly, then it will extract that 14th card because already you fixed it 0 to max. So 0 to 29 is 30 cards. So we are getting the sequence number 13 means you get 14th card. So in this case, we are using equality. Okay. And some kind of relational operators, we can check it. Like, you know, a range of cards we wanted. Something like I want to get it that cards of 9 to 13. Clear? So at that time, I can use it less than or equal to 13, something like this, and greater than or equal to 9 in between that. So at this time, we can use it less than, greater than, and sometimes I want to find out not equal to, sorry. Yeah. So not equal to, I want to check that not equal to. So except the card number 13, I want others. So at that time, I supposed to use not equal to. So these operations are allowed on the sequence number because it's an integer. I hope you understand. Similar way, this marks is another kind of sub data type for integer because marks also a range of values like 0 to 100. So at this time, we can do some additional operations like you are able to do that plus and minus. Why? Because you might have maths marks, you have physics, and you have chemistry. So let me take one particular student. So who has already got the marks of 71, 32, and 67. Suddenly I want to do the addition of these three. I can do that. So where I get the total, I get the total. So similar way on this particular marks, you are able to do that some relational operators also, less than, greater than. Like some list of students I wanted who got the marks from 70 to 90, something like that. So at that time, I'm supposed to use that. So greater than and less than relational operators also. And some particular time we can use it equality also. So what this particular marks is, it is a integer sub data type, but it allows you that other operations like plus and minus also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, are we using filtration here? As you said, like suddenly
see, exactly. It is a filtration only. When do you use that relational operators? Definitely it's a filtration.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Whenever that particular relation is satisfied, we do filter. If that relation is false, we say that we don't filter. That's it, simple. But one thing here I want to tell you is addition of two sequence numbers does not make a sense. But addition of two subject marks makes sense. That one you should understand where I should use it, that addition, where I should use that subtraction, where I should that equality. Based on the scenario, based on the problem you are learning, you should be able to trace out it. I hope you understand, students.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why in the mark subtype, sir, why we can't use a divide, sir?
We can use the divide, not an issue then. But what exactly is, I want to get the total of all maths marks and divided by the number of students. So average maths marks I'm getting, no?
Yes, sir.
So you have to think that the problem, what they asked, based on it, this is an integer. It allows what operations are there, which operation is more suitable for my problem. Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
But origin of this particular sequence number is integer. Origin of this particular marks is an integer.
Yes, sir.
But both of the integers, but we don't do that addition of two sequence numbers. It does not make a sense. Even
Yes, sir, I understand that. I am talking about marks.
Yes,
marks of the.
yes, that's what I'm telling. There is a scenario. Suddenly, there is a question is given to you.
Yes,
so
sir.
they want to get that all of the 30 students. So what is the
Yes, sir.
average marks in maths?
Yes, sir.
So you supposed to do that addition of all 0 to 20, 29 cards maths marks addition
And divide
divided by the 30.
Yes, sir.
Then you get it that average. So at that
So
time, yeah.
the comparing sequence number make any sense?
Yes, definitely it makes sense. So like, already I said that 9 to 13 cards I wanted. The sequence number, card number 9 to 13. Like, 9th one, 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, 13th one. So at that time, you supposed to use that less than greater than.
Okay.
How it can make sense? Because sequence number is just similar as a serial number.
No. Actually, suddenly you have given a sorted list of that cards is given to you. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, not understood, sir.
Yeah, sorted list of the particular cards is given to you. All are arranged like, in a particular table with one after another. All of them are in sorted. So they ask you to pick up that 9 to 13 cards. So just simply, even a child, a particular kid, they can pick up, oh, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, 12, 13, keep going. So at that time, definitely no.
So how we can say the 13th number card is greater than 12th number card?
No, it is a serial number. The sequence number is there. We write that condition based on this sequence number greater than or equal to 9. And so you have the logical operator. So then, and one more again, sequence number less than or equal to 13.
Because
so then,
I think
then pick the card. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in sequence number, we can only do operations such as equal and less than.
Yes,
but
yes.
in
most suitable operation is equality.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes any rare case, you can do this one also.
Okay, sir.
Like, you have 1,000 employees list is there in my company.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly I want that the employee number 113 I want it. So I can pick up with equality.
Yes, sir.
So, but I want suddenly the manager wants to meet the employee numbers 101 to 113. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He wants to call the meeting this particular employee numbers, which is that 101 to 113. So at that time, he might have to go for that that relational operator less than greater than. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, it is a unique identification. We use it. Very in few cases, we go for it.
Okay,
because
sir.
it is unique, no? You don't have the similar kind of values of sequence number, but you have a similar kind of values in the marks.
Yes, sir.
So this is what called the situation and case based on scenario, based on the requirement, the user, suddenly manager requirement is that. So we do it.
So,
yeah.
So let's say it is given that gender is F. Then we will use the Boolean operation.
Yes,
but if it is given that F and inverted single comma, then it will be a character.
Yes, yes, because F is a character data type. It allows that similar kind of operation on the string. So F is a character, which is a synonym of string. See, that's I already said it. Both of the character and synonyms are same, except only the representation. For easy understanding, oh, this is a one character, this is a collection of characters. Whatever operations we do on character, we can do on strings. Whatever operation we can do on the string, we can do on character. No issues. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Sir, in marks subdata set, why not consider two booleans?
marks
We
that,
also
it's good.
we also compared the 2 marks in.
See, that's what I'm telling you. The value we store is different. The result of operation, sorry. So the value we store is different. The result of operation is different. Wait. See, look at. See, look at. So the value we store is different. The result is different. See, look at that. So I'm talking about the value now. So you said the value can be 0 to 100. Okay. Yes. The result is going to be true or false. So we cannot store maths equal to true. I hope you understand. We cannot store this.
Yes, sir.
So because it is a keyword
but see, let me finish up. But comparison between maths greater than physics is a operation result. So it results that true or false. I hope you understand.
Yes,
Storing the value is different, result of operation is different. So please think in terms of that result, or in terms of result, or in terms of value.
Okay,
in terms of result.
I hope you understand, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
what exactly is happening is, due to one operation, we are getting one data type. Like, a integer comparisons we do, but the result is a Boolean. I think it's interesting one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, yes, sir.
somebody asked you that, are you local? So to a particular XYZ state. So then you are going to say the result is going to be that yes or no. That might be true or false. Understand?
Yes.
So this is a result. The result is true or false. But the condition checking is, are you local? Local condition, you are checking that local condition. So it might be local to something like Bihar. Okay. So this is checking that relational operator, but the result is going to be that Boolean. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's what, please just focus on that, what value you are storing. The value is definitely, it's a string. We don't store that here true or false. But comparison and relation, we check it, the result is going to be Boolean. So that one comparison might result another data type. One particular operation might result another kind of data type. Sometimes it happens. So like you are doing integer divided by integer, you might get some other integer maybe there. Integer addition with another integer, you might get another integer. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please understand the difference of value storing and result. Okay. So let us go for that next one. So transformation of that. See, these things are very clear. What is happening in the string?
Yes, sir. Yes,
now
sir.
we are going that the transformation of that sub data types. Already we understood string is a collection of alphabets, numbers, or it might be special characters. If you think about this 15th January, so this date is already given. 15th January. So this is a combination of numbers and alphabets. So definitely you're supposed to store this one like a string, or you can say that it's a date. Some date data type is there. But how internally it will represent it? There is a internal representation is there. So if you think about that, a non-leap year, 0 to 0 is called as lower bound, which is called lower value, lower bound. And upper bound is maximum value you wanted -1. For example, if it is a non-leap year, it's going to be 0 to 364. So total is 365. I hope you understand. So whenever the 1st January is there, it is internally represented as 0, and 2nd January is 1. So if you had 3 days for it, for example, 15th January is there, internally it is 14. You are adding 3 days for it, it's going to be 17. This 17 is going to be represented in the printing purpose is 18th Jan. When do you use this one is, for example, you want to compare date of birth 1 with another student date of birth, something like this. So who is younger and who is elder, I want to compare. So at that time, I supposed to use less than and greater than. Then you might get a doubt, how do you compare the date type data? So that is doing some kind of transformation like this. I hope you understand. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what they want to tell. Some date data type is there. It's a string because it is enclosed in double quote. Somebody thought, oh, why do you do that if it is a string? How can you do that comparison of less than and greater than? Because you want to find out that a younger boy and elder boy. So at that time, there is an internal value is represented because computers can understand the numbers only zeros and ones and zeros and ones. But I want to do that. So at that time, there is an internal transformation is happening like this. Similar way, there are some real numbers. Yeah.
Sir, so we have to mention in the flow chart that we need to transform.
No. You need not mention that any kind of transformation. This is the headache of the programming language. Only thing, just check that first date of birth is it greater than the second date of birth. That's it. So the system will take care. You don't worry about it. This is only the internal secret. What is happening? The internal cloud. How really it is comparing. So that is investigated in terms of this way. I hope you understand. So like, date of joinings is there, employees 2 date of joinings are there. I want to pick out that who is the senior and who is the junior. So at that time, I should compare the date of joinings only. There is no other way. Understood?
Yes.
So this is what exactly, like, somebody has joined in some particular date. I want to calculate his service of years. So I'll take today's date and subtract it by using the date of joining. I'll get the number of days and then convert into the years. Simple. I hope you understand. If it is 2 years of difference, I'll get it 365 plus 365. So divide with it. So I'll get the number of years, how many years of service he finished in my company. I hope you understand.
Yes.
So that's what, because if anyone wants to understand how dates are comparing, because it is enclosed in double quote, so you might get a doubt. So what is the internal transformation is this way. And similar way, so we have that some kind of real numbers. See, look at the physics marks is there. It is that 80.5, 90.5. So we want to add these 2 marks. It's an integer. We can do the addition of operation. What you do is simply we are multiplying with 100. So it's going to be that 8050 and 90.5 is going to be 9050. Both of them we do the additional operation, which is not done by you. It is internal transformation. Don't worry about it. So it's going to be converted into that 17,100 because of the print operation. The print operation allows you that defining. So actually the programming languages provides you that it is going for a format specification. So this format specification printing functions will provide you that how many decimal places you wanted. So we said it is initially 2 so that you get it. The total is 171. It's so easy, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What way then?
Hello?
It is multiplied.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Somebody wants to ask.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why do we multiply always with 100 and not 10?
See, look at it. It is the internal job of that system. You don't worry about it. Clear? So
Okay.
even you can do the multiply with 10 also. And then you have to convert into 1 decimal place. Because of the 100, we have to do that 2 decimal places because we want the 2 decimal places.
Right.
Understood?
Okay.
So this is already defined in the lecture, but anyway, you can look at lecture one more time. Not an issue. but this is not done by user. Only thing is this is done by the particular language. We don't worry about programming language, what we use it. Clear?
Okay.
So that we don't worry about real numbers right now. We always focus, even your data sets, if you see that most of the data elements are going to be that real numbers only, sorry, integer numbers only, instead of this fractional part, okay. So this is about the transformation and string data types and sub data types. So please let me know that any clarification on this, any kind of
So
clarification.
one quick question.
Yeah.
So if a word, for example, Madras, is written under single quotes, so it would be neither string nor character, right?
Wait, tell me once again, please.
If a word, for example, Madras, is written under single quotes,
Single code, okay.
so it will neither be a character nor a string, right?
It's a pure string. We don't worry about this single code. We worry about that is it one character or multiple characters. It's a greater than one character, we fix that as a string. Understood?
Sir, but if it is asked, then we have to not like select the string option, because what we have studied is double inverted commas.
Exactly. That is what language specific. Double inverted commas you are using for strings. Single quotation we use it for character, one character. By mistake, if you are giving the single code and Madras, okay, in any question or any kind of activity you are doing, at that time you got it, then you might get any kind of error. Suitable option might be then, or maybe no error option is there in your particular options, like any activity session, such activity session is there, then it can be considered as a string. Understood? So as
for now,
you just follow as per the lecture. Single quotes is used for one character, double quotes is used for more than one character. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir. So for now, if in quiz 1 this question comes,
single quotes is there.
In single quotes, if Madras comes for now.
Is there any option? Is there any option called error? Is there any option called error?
Okay.
No, we have to sir choose between like.
Yes, sir. Choose.
Error is there? Error
option?
No. The question was which of the following options are string, and one option was this one, single quotes, Madras within single quotes. So should I choose it as a string or not?
So you have that multiple choice or single option correct?
Multiple choice, sir.
So it was multiple choice.
MSQ one.
So you have the double quotes is there. You have single quote Madras is there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So then you have to choose only this one. We don't choose this one, but that because we have to go for as per the lecture, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That only I was asking.
As per the lecture, always single code is used for one character.
One character. Okay, sir. Thank you. Got it.
Yeah. So that's what I'm asking about error. If any kind of error kind of option is there, so then you have to think about error. If it is a multiple choice question, so definitely we go for one option only. That is most suitable one is this. If it is multiple option correct also, we go for only this one. Don't try for this one because as per the lecture we go.
So one more doubt. This is small. Can we choose double quote for a single character?
Exactly, we can. So because it can accommodate one or more characters.
String,
not wrong.
String.
Exactly. So double quotes, if you use it, you can store one or more characters. Not issue then.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the smarts example, print of 17100 you have written, no, sir. That should be integer. That should be integer equal to 171.00. That can be float, long float like that.
I want to round it to the 2 decimal places. That's what the printing format is taking format specifier, which is 2 decimal places. For example, the format specifier, I specify pure integer, it will print only 171. This operation is taken care by print. You don't worry about it. The print function takes care about it. You don't worry about this one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then. Understood?
Sir, if we had
specified the format to print 3 decimal places. So the print
That is language. That is language specific. See, some languages are providing the format specifier. That means as a user, you can specify this print function. I want 2 decimal places, so do it. I want 3, you can specify. I want 4, I can. That is language specific. You don't worry about this one. Right now, print is doing 2 decimal places as per the lecture.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it is integer data type or float data type?
It's a float, but it is round. It's a float, and it is having 2 decimal places. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because the print function, as per the lecture, they defined it is format specifier is 2 decimal places. It's a float data type, real data type. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So yes, I'm going for the next. Shall I go then?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are going that interesting concept of the lists and records. So look at this one. So what exactly the list? So what do you say that is list is? We can say that it is a collection of homogeneous data elements, or it might be that heterogeneous data elements. So you might have a doubt what exactly is same collection of elements or different collection of elements. So what is same, what is different? Simply in terms of data type. Data type. You already learned some data types, you know?
Yes, sir.
So like you learned integer, you learned boolean, you learned character, you learned string, you learned date. So this particular sequence of data elements may be or may not be the same or different. Like, you know, it is a homogeneous collection or it might be the heterogeneous collection. But what exactly it is? Sequence of data elements. See, look at the sequence is shown. Like, you know, subject marks is obtained by the Clarence student with a sequence of 63, 88, 73. Of course, the first value is going to be the maths, second value is physics, and third value is chemistry. Understood?
Yes.
Now, these 3 are same data type. These 3 are same. Okay, these are homogeneous. So whenever you think about that details of the Clarence, which is the complete details. So what it contains that the sequence number is there, name of the student is there, and the particular student is male or female, and date, and which city or town he belongs to, that, and 3 subject marks. If you look at this is a date type data. It's a different one, date type data. And this is a string type data. So as per the lecture, we are going, this is a character type data or 1 character. And this is again string. So I hope you understand. It's a combination of different data types. Of course, these 4 are going to be that integer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that what exactly here is a list can be a combination of similar data type, or it might be that different data types, different combination of different data types, like 1 integer, 1 particular string, 1 date data type, something like 1 character data type, all combination. Like you have that your properties with the different data type, like you have your student name is there, your date of birth is there, your address is there, your city or town is there. So all these are combinations of that different data types. So that is called list. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
listen that here you have the sequence of them, each one having that one particular separator comma. I hope you understand here the
Yes.
first value, second value, third value, and keep going. So let us go for the record now.
Sir, can you explain
Is it
once
dictionary?
again?
Hello.
Sir, can you explain once more?
Yeah. So list is nothing but it is a collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous collection of elements. A sequence of values which are same data type or different data type. Like these three things are same, which are all three are integers. Like maths is integer, physics and chemistry, all three are integers. So that it's a called that marks kind of list. Whenever you go for another list, Clarence, it is having different collection. Like, you know, sequence number is there, which is a integer type data. And the name of the student, which is the string type data. And male or female, it's a character type data, and date is going to be the date. Again, here string. These four of them are integer. So what do you call this? Is called heterogeneous collection of elements. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here date data types we consider as what, a string or integer, sir?
It is a pure string, but internal value is represented as a transformation, and it compares. Because sometimes you want to compare. Yeah.
After the transformation, it is integer data type.
Exactly. Here, see, look at that date of birth is there. So as I said, no, I want to compare two date of births. Who is old, who is younger, and who is elder. At that time, internally it is compared with.
Integer data.
Transformation of values.
Yes.
Understood?
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, for the integer, should not be enclosed within the quotes, no? Like
not-
63
yeah.
is 63 is an integer, but if it is written within the double quotes, then it will become string.
Yes, exactly. If you are including this particular 63 inside a double quote, it is not allowing any arithmetic operation like plus minus. You cannot do it. Understood? These operations are not allowed. That's what the reason these are all open. No double quotation is enclosed.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So integer and float data types are meant for that any kind of arithmetic operation. We can do that any kind of arithmetic and relation or something like that. But when you enclose it, it's going to be pure string. Earlier I said, you know, string can be any collection of characters from the keyboard. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall I go for the next now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here carefully observe it. Each of the element in the list is separated with comma. Maybe this is the first element, second element, third element, fourth element, keep going. Okay. Now we are going for record. Please understand, here the data is stored in multiple fields. This is the most important thing.
Dictionary.
Exactly. So somebody may be good at that, some kind of Python or something basic, but don't worry about it. So even I don't, let us assume that even I don't know the dictionaries right now. It's like a property name or a particular feature name. You have different features. Like, you know, your eye color is there. Some of them are black, some of them are blue. I hope you understand them.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that here,
Yes, sir.
the field name is going to be eye color, the type of the eye color. So this is going to be that blue. Somebody may be there. Somebody might be black. So this eye color is one particular field. It is having the name and a value. Here, this is the name of the field. Here, the value of the field. I hope you understand.
Yes.
So this name of the field is also enclosed, and value of the field is enclosed based on the either it is integer or number. See, look at here. The field name is always in double quote because it is a definitely unique identification name, but the values are enclosed based on the data. Like if it is a name, it is enclosed. If it is sequence number, it's not enclosed. If it is a date of birth, it is enclosed. And if it is city or town, it is enclosed. And this is not enclosed, this is not enclosed, this is not enclosed, and total is not enclosed because these are not integer type data.
Yes.
So here, please carefully observe it. The separating between that field name and value, there is a separator called colon. So this is one pair of key and value, one pair of field name and value. This is one pair of key and value, one pair of key and value.
Yes.
I hope you understand.
Some value can be changed.
Exactly. The values can be changed. And one more thing, you should understand that the particular field name is always unique. You don't have that same field in the recorder. Like sequence number 9 and one more sequence number, no, it's not possible. Like you have eye color blue, so you don't have eye color blue and eye color red, something like that. No, you don't have. Only one eye color property is there. I hope
Hello?
you understand, no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so if I'm not wrong, I believe the system will take all the data values as is except the date of birth. The system will convert the 6th of December in numericals, right?
Exactly. As and when it's required only, it will do. Like if you are doing any kind of arithmetic operation on the date, like 6th December, I want to do that 3 days forward. At that time, system internally transports that particular 6th December to a value and then add it to that particular 3 days. Again, it converts back to the date.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Even, yeah.
Sir, for the record, it will always contain both name and value. Like it can't be like one name and then like value is not there.
No. Definitely, it's a pair. It's a pair. Without that, it's not possible. It should be a pair. So if it is one of them are missing, then all of them should visit all of the field names and they should be separated like this. See, if you carefully observe it, whatever the values of the list is, same thing is used here, but only they are prefixed with the field name. I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
But can't it be possible that a student missed any of the exams and the value is 0 or NA?
Yeah, you can. Any of the exams might be 0, no problem, no?
Okay, if I mean the student can get 0 if he did not attempt the exam, but if he was absent, then it would be AB, right?
No. So then you have to think that intelligent way. Like -1, I can store it, no?
Sir, why is the list in brackets
Hello,
and
wait,
record?
let him finish them, please. He is continuing.
Yeah, tell me.
I hope you are right. What you are telling is it should be that 0 when he is attended the exam, but he got no marks. So then 0.
Yes.
Sometimes he might be absent. So the absent cannot be represented in this particular marks. So then what is the better way? I can store -1 so that any negative number, it can represent that he is absent. So let us choose one particular marking is -1. It's a suitable value.
Okay. So in the data it would be -1, but it would be represented as AB.
Exactly.
Okay.
So in the data we store it -1. Whenever it's showing in the result or progress card of the student, they can store the absent A. So like they write if condition or something like. So whenever this condition is like the value is -1, then print absent.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Some girl is asking.
Yeah. So why is the list in brackets and record in curly brackets?
Exactly. So this is a collection. So as and when you represent your data with curly bracket, it expects the pair. It expects that pair. Each value should be name and value combination. So
As a
and
key value
comma, again name and value.
Okay.
So that particular as and when curly bracket is found, it thinks that you are trying to give that a record instead of a list. If you are giving a subscript operator, what you call square bracket, so then it is expects that collection of values with comma.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So let us go for
Yes,
that. Let us go for that one example of this. See, already one card is given. So let you take that. This is one scorecard or marks 1. So here this is a field name and this is the value. And you observe it here, they may not mention the sequence number field. The reason is simple. They don't do that any kind of operation on the sequence number. So that's the reason they are not specifying sequence number, the field, like every field and value is specified. Here they may not mention. Okay. So next one is here it is again field. Here it is value, field and value. But here when you come to here, so these 4 things, they make one kind of subset. Like, maths marks, physics marks, chemistry marks, they are trying to show you in 2 different columns. Why they are trying to show 2 columns is these 4 particular fields are suitable for similar kind of operations. You know, similar kind of operations. Like, you know, I want to calculate all totals of the mathematics marks. I want to find out that highest physics marks, something like that. Whenever these things, these are individual, these are dependent. Like, you know, total marks is dependent on these three. That's the reason they have shown in the special notation, like a box has been shown for easy grabbing of your attention. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now let us go for one more data set. Look at. So I'm going for a data set of I have to go for the navigation of this one is.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in the graded assignment of week 1.
Wait. First, let me explain you that this particular data set, and then I'll get back to you then. Okay. Just I'll finish up within no time.
Okay.
Sure, right. Here it is. See, look at that here now. A data set you are viewing, no?
Yes,
hello.
Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this data set, see, look at this. In this data set, you are able to see that all collection of cards scores is there. Sorry, one more. I'm going here. Yeah, this is one more. Yeah, here it is words data set. Look at this words data set. See here, the words data set is having 0 sequence number to 65. So what is the total cards is available?
65.
Yes. So 65 cards are there. 65 cards are there. So here the row number, word, parts of speech, letter count, all these four are what? All these four are what? Whether they are
key.
Yes, key, or someone says that it is a field. What do you call is field? And these things are there like 0,
Values.
8. Yeah, these are
field.
going to be values. So you need to know that one. So what is field, what is value? So here the all cards are having same field names, but values are different maybe there. I hope you understand them.
Oh, yes, sir.
Here. So
Yes,
this is what I want to make you to understand. What is the field and what is the what is that value inside of it. But make sure that you
key and field is same.
Hello.
The key and field is same.
Yeah. Key and field name is same. Both are same. Okay. Now let us go for that. Somebody asked what is that activity they want.
Sir, I am doubting graded assignment week 1 question 10. Sir, from my point of view, this question is a continuous loop. Then
graded we cannot
correct
discuss, right? Graded we cannot discuss it.
Sir, just summarize that question.
Tell me then, what is the graded?
Sir, graded assignment from week 1, question number 10.
Wait. Please stay online. I don't share the screen, but let me understand what's your problem. Eh?
Yes.
What is the question number?
Question number 10.
Wait, I'm going for question number 10. Yeah, tell me what's your clarification.
Sir, it's my here it tells if customer name is not Akshaya, then it pick a card to pile 1 another. It picks a card from pile 1 and checks and apply a filtration. If customer name is not Akshaya, then again it's put that card in pile 1. Then it's also creates a continuous loop, and and here it is condition if pile 1 have more cards or not, then that condition is never be false, and it also be true, and it creates a continuous loop. Then we not get a correct value of
See, there are two ways only. whether
Yes.
the loop is continued or not. The loop is continued until what time? It is no cards is available. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So whenever you said some XYZ student, XYZ name is found, so any arithmetic operation you are doing?
No, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Any arithmetic operation are you doing?
Sir, for on which, sir? On A, which represent?
You said some name, no? Some particular.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So any arithmetic operation you're doing? That's what I'm asking.
Yes, yes.
So if you are doing any arithmetic operation,
Yes, sir. I am doing. Here it tells. Here it asks if customer name is Akshaya, then it adds the total amount.
no,
Then
wait.
Use shopping bill dataset.
Yeah, you are using shopping bill dataset, understood. So whenever the particular Akshay is
Name
found,
is-
Akshay is
yes.
found, you are doing arithmetic operation or not?
Yes, sir. I am doing arithmetic operation.
After doing some arithmetic operation, does Akshaya have another shopping bill or not?
Yes, sir. It have also another shopping bill.
So if it is there, what happens? Loop is repeated or not?
The loop is repeated.
So then the flowchart I'm seeing now, it is very clear. Nothing ambiguity in this one. Please, once again, you see that flowchart. It's not at all an infinitive one, because maybe you are thinking it is two flows are directed to even only one condition. Maybe you are thinking like in that way. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
No. So kindly focus on it. It's not infinite loop. Even it is directed two particular flows to same condition also, it's not an infinite, because the loop is stopped as and when the particular condition, top condition is false. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, but please focus on it, what is happening. Really, you compare with your cards is given for you, then you compare it, definitely you get the solution.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me then, anybody else then? Somebody is asking clarification.
I did not get that, man.
Hello?
Sir, can I ask in between?
Quiz. Hello?
Yes,
Bro,
sir.
you go first.
Quiz. Okay, tell me what the question is, quiz, but I don't discuss the full details of it, but quiz, tell me. Hello? Are you able to see that? Hello? Are you able to? Am I audible?
Yes,
you are audible. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Audible, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Audible, sir.
Sir, can I speak?
Can I?
Hello, sir.
Tell me, Subi.
Sir, if it is asked, then what is the data type? What are the data type used in this course data set? Then what will be the answer? Integer and characters, na? Like,
What is the data types used in marks data set?
yes, sir. Scores, yeah. Scores or marks.
Scores or marks. Okay, both are same. So different data types are used. Like you have integers are there. You have strings are there. Is it there? One character also there. Am I right? So as per that, even you look at, I'll share my screen. See, look at it. Here it is the scores data set. Is it visible to you then?
Yes, sir.
So in this place, you can find here it is a string, here it's a character, here it is date, here again string, here it is a collection. So all these combinations are there. So please find it whether it is multiple, multiple selection answer, is it multi-choice or single?
Yeah. Yes, sir. MSQ, multiple.
Yeah. So
Question.
so definitely you have to choose that whatever options are available, and all maybe I think more than one is definitely will be there. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Still any clarifications?
Sir, I have. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, in previous question that one student asked from graded assignment, we are not putting the card of Akshaya in pile 2. So the card of Akshaya remains in pile 1 itself. So the loop might be a continuous loop because we are not we are not putting a card in pile 2.
Okay, okay. So see, look at the top condition is there. Okay. Picking the card is there. You mean that there is no moving action is going on. Am I right?
Yes, we just pick the card, we record the bill, and then we again put the card in same pile. So the card
No,
again
but
and
see, one more thing. Sorry for the interruption.
yeah.
You don't have a statement or then you don't have a symbol again putting the same card in the same pile. So you assume it definitely the card is, once it is found, the card is definitely extracted from the pile 1 and put it somewhere.
Okay, so it is expected that we are putting somewhere
Exactly,
else.
exactly.
Okay.
Because again, putting back on the same cards data set, that particular symbol also not there, no?
Yes, because in tutorial itself, we have a symbol of putting it in different
Exactly,
pile.
exactly. Understood,
So
understood, understood, understood. Not issue then, okay? So
Sir,
assume that the card is extracted and do the condition and move to some other pile. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, activity 10.
Activity 10.
First question I didn't understand, sir.
Wait. Activity 10. This activity 10. Wait. Lecture. Yeah. Activity 10. Say I don't share the screen, but don't worry about it. Yeah. First question is there. In shopping bill record.
Yes, sir.
What is the data type of the field called items, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you have a common data with you then.
No, but it is not talking of any data type. It is only saying list or record.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you, that shopping bill record, what is the data type, the field name called items. See, the shopping bill record is having different fields are there, like shop name is there, customer name is there.
Yeah.
Below that items is there.
Yes.
So look at that items card. So do you have the card of the shopping bills?
I mean, it's there, but it's in a different
It's a different. Yeah, just give me one time. I'll have that particular shopping bill data set. Just I'll open it. Maybe that would help you.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, I'm sharing. I'll share you. Don't worry. I'll share it. Yes, I'll share it. Cool. Yeah, now I'm going for sharing. Yeah, are you able to see this now?
Yes, I'm able to see.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool. So
Yes,
now
sir.
look at that any kind of shopping bill we take it. Let's take the bill number 1.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now they ask the question is what in the items.
Huh.
Okay. So what is the
item data type?
Item data type. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, item data type they asked, you know.
Yeah.
See, look at item is there.
Yeah.
So this is having that list of items are there. Category list of this categories are there. Quantity list of quantities is there. Price list of prices are there.
So there are lists only.
Exactly.
Okay.
So because item is not having any sub data types.
Okay.
So if you think about this particular shop, it is having sub one called item, category, quantity, price. So what exactly here is I want to tell you is simple kind of representation. See, let me show you that. Oh, sorry. This one, what internally it is going to be is how it is represented is, look at this one. See, you might have that item.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So item, it's a collection of things, no? Yes. Item. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is having collection of items. Like you have carrots.
Yeah.
Something like this.
Yeah.
So you have soaps. Something like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So similar way, even you category, you can take that list of categories. Quantity, you have a list of quantities. Okay.
Yeah.
You understand? Huh? Hello?
So, but if you take a look at the earlier example which you shared with us, the marks card.
Wait, marks card, okay.
In that, the list was shown as sequence number.
Wait. So the list was sequence number. Wait.
I mean, you showed 9, and then you showed the.
Wait. I'm going for that particular part.
Yeah.
But it can be same or different also, na sir. You have mentioned it homogeneous or heterogeneous one, I think.
Wait. So this one. So you have this one?
Yeah, if you go a little above, sir, if you show the written
Exactly.
description.
Yes.
See here, the list is shown as 9 Clarence M 6 December Bengaluru.
Yes.
63.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. So what you said is perfect. See, you can list out that collection of values as a list. But thing is, what happens, unique identification is not there. 63 is there, 88 is there, 73 is there, 224 is there. What are all these? So you don't have the clear identification of the field name. Only we have list of values. That's it. So that's the reason you are going with more specific way.
I am clear about what a record is. What my doubt is, why is that?
Record is definitely you have
key and value.
Yes, key and value.
But in that particular question,
exactly, I'm going with the same example. What you said is, see, I'm going that shopping bill only. So whatever you said, it is item.
Yes.
Okay, item. So what I'm going is, it is collection of items. So let it be then. It might be then banana, or it might be that mango, or something like that. Okay.
Whatever. Okay.
So whatever it is. So please remember, these are sequence of items.
Okay.
So all these are identified by with one key. No problem. We can do it.
Okay.
So what exactly this dictionary or this record contains sequence of values? Maybe then. So if not, what happens? Item 1, there is a key for this item. Sorry, doesn't look good. Item 1. So you are having banana. So item 2, something like soaps.
Right.
So in this way, if they have been expanded, you don't know how many particular these things, but all these are belongs to item. So what do you call this? Item is a collection of items. So list of items.
Okay.
So this makes sense.
Right.
It is.
Clear?
So
yeah, tell me.
So correct me if I'm wrong. Sir, can you move the slide down, please?
Exactly. I'm going.
So down, where you were writing, like
here. Yes.
So the one you have written, item is equal to first one, like it is a list, and the second one is a record now.
Yes. What I do is a dictionary. What you call is record. Okay. So which contains a collection of items. Clear?
Okay.
And then it's a record. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Now it is what it's a record is nested with a list. Understood? One inside another one.
And the same for the item 1 and item 2, like this, na?
This is not this is pure. Each individual is one particular field. This one is each of them is one field.
So it will be a record.
Exactly. This entire one is one record only. So this is a record, and record it contains collection of items. See, it's like so some particular cricketer is there. Maybe Kohli today is playing. Okay. So he is having that maybe 10 or 15 balls he played today, and what is his sequence of runs? I'm sorry. What have the number 7 for that runs? So until and unless there is something like 6 runs is there, 2 runs is there, 0 runs is there. So all this is a particular record of the Kohli, and this Kohli is having set of values which is called list of runs. What is this called? List of runs. This particular list of runs belongs to Kohli. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this way. This is called nested list, you know. Inside the record, you can put it a list. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Still, somebody asking something, you know.
Sir, can we nest a list inside a record?
So we are now doing inside a record list only. You are asking that record inside a list. Yeah, record inside a list. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The vice versa.
Yeah. It is something like inside of the list, you might have one particular record, something like name. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
name is Ravi. Okay. So we have taken first recorder. Then you might have another recorder, which is again name. This is interesting one. Interesting question also. So Ram. Okay. So another one, you might have Rahim. So then finally you might close it. You might have it. Not a problem.
2 elements.
Exactly. So it is, the list is having 2 elements. Each of the element is a dictionary. I hope you understand. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
once
sir.
you put it that record, definitely it expects a key and value pair. Definitely this pair must be there. Once the list is enclosed, it is expecting sequence of values with comma separator. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine?
sir.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, here is a the
So for record, we have to
down, sir. Slide down, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Name, you can write here is name is equal to Ravi, sir. Yes, sir. This is field or record, sir.
This is
a particular.
this is a field.
Yes, sir. I'm right.
This is a value.
Sir, whole is
But sir,
Sir, whole.
but sir,
this whole is a
record.
record.
Sir, for the whole, we can see a list of records now.
Exactly. It is a list of records. List of records. This is, what is this one called? This one. What is this one called?
Record of
Record of list.
Record.
Yes. Kohli record with list of runs. Record with list.
1 element.
Exactly.
Sir, for record, we have to use flower braces.
Record we have to use, yes, it's a set bracket. What do you call it? Curly brackets.
And for list, we need to use square brackets.
Exactly. And one more thing, whenever record you are using, we require that field name and field value. This is name of the field and the value of the field. The value is again list. You might have. Clear?
Sir, record of record, sir.
Yes, you might have that. That case also might be there. See, look at. I'm going with one recorder. So this particular record is Kohli. Clear? Clear then? So inside,
Yes, sir.
inside this particular record, so you might have another field. Like Kohli is having a date of birth. Sorry, I don't have. So now something like his date is 7th of something like May. And then you have that another field. For the same Kohli, you might have another property. Is the location of playing, which location it belongs to. So something like Mumbai. Clear?
Yes,
so,
sir.
So two fields are there here. Inside the Kohli field, you have 2 particular values are there. Each of the value is again record. So we close this one and we close this one. So understood then?
Yes, sir.
So that's simple. You might have. You don't have limits, but only thing is that is a complexity cases. Whenever complexity cases will come as when you go for that next level of courses, then you will get the complexity kind of data. You know, complexity kind of it. Like one nested data type with another one. So at that time, what you do, whether you have to use combination of list and list, I can use it sometimes then. So let it be that list and list also you can take it. For example, you are doing, see, look at, you are doing list of lists. See, look at X coordinate and Y coordinate is there for any kind of gaming kind of application. So I have that x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 13 on the screen locations. So next object is there, it is having location of 17, and I have that location of some 17. These are different gaming objects are arranged on the screen. So each of them is having x and y coordinates. I hope you understand.
2 elements.
So that is called list inside a list. You might have. This is called complex data type. What do you call is, whatever you learn, the strings and integers and booleans, all are simple data types. So when you come to the lists and records, there are complex combination. Like, you are a complex object. We are all human beings, no? You are not a simple object. Are you complex object or not? Definitely you are a complex object. So you are a combination of 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 hands, all these are complex objects, Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Each individual one have that own property and own its value. Like if you think about hand is going to be a particular name of the field, it is having fingers as a set. It's a list you might have. Understood? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Something like so. These kind of collection of combination of complex things, implementation, it is more specific on the language. Whenever you work with any specific programming language, the programming language will provide you that easy syntaxes to make it one list, another list, one dictionary, another list inside. You can do something like that. Okay. You have the sophisticated way and easy way how to make them nested. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in list of records, sir, there we wrote name Ravi, name Ram.
Exactly.
There's the name is the field name which is repeated twice, but in record we cannot repeat it twice. So
exactly,
in the same
exactly. Is it different records or same record? Once you open and close, it's a one record. Once you open and this is a different record.
Then what about record and record?
Yeah, record and record. Inside the same record, you don't have same fields. Duplicate fields are not allowed. It's a different record, no? This is a different record, open and close. Here open and closed. So again, it's a different record, opened and closed. So you can have same one, no problem. Inside a record, you cannot have same duplicate field names inside the same record. Look at here. This is the starting. Sorry. This is start. Oh, I'm sorry. Scrolling quickly.
Yes.
See, inside of this, so you have the beginning left brace and right brace, which is that only one. This is entirely one record. Clear? So now if you go for here, you have multiple nested. Oh, sorry, right, slow. Yeah. You come to down here. Here you look at. See, look at here. So you have first record. You have first record. Oh, I'm sorry. You have first record. You have second record. You have third record. See, the student is simple, very simple. You have the bunch of scorecards are there, no? All these scorecards are represented as a one list, understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Whatever bunch of cards, 0 to 29 cards are there. Each of the card is having collection of fields, like field and value, field and value. Again, second card is having field and value and field and value. So simply each data set can be considered as a list with inside a particular records. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Sir.
Yes, so sir. We are sure definitely each of the card is having similar kind of fields. Like, here the name and value is there, name and value is there, something like that.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So please, any other doubts, please?
So index.
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Does record represent dictionaries in Python? Means if we are
exactly. So here we are calling is a record. In Python, that record is synonym for that dictionary, and synonym for the dictionary is the record. Both are same.
Okay, both are.
Whereas the lists are same name available in Python.
Lists are available. Yes, sir.
Yeah, same are directly available. Yeah, same directly available in Python.
Yes.
No issues. And if you go for that Java kind of language, this record is called, they are called as hash maps or something.
Oh, in Java, different.
Yeah, it's a different kind of technical term they use it. That's only different, but functionality is same.
Okay.
That's what, if you learn the basic thing of thinking about this particular computational thinking, you are suitable for any kind of programming language.
Indexing.
Exactly.
These are the basic data types if we are going in
any language, any kind of programming language you want to build it, you want to implement it, these basics are definitely required.
Yes.
Don't worry about what programming language you learn in future. Okay.
Yes.
Without this, we cannot go for that next level. That's what they call it's a qualifier, no?
So I want to ask one thing.
Yeah.
So in this
Your voice is low. Please, can you?
So can you hear me now?
Yeah, it is okay, but something. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. I am saying that record example. Is this total record or record inside record?
Which one? Which one you are asking?
In the heading record is there, no? In that example.
Which example? This
Take
scorecard
point
or this
number
one?
9.
This
No,
one.
no, sir.
Here.
This one is written, sir.
Here.
So this one, if you say, this is a list with record, right?
Yes, list inside you have records. So you have this one. Coily example
And
is
this
there. This is dictionary. Inside you have a list. Just like item is there. No, it is having collection of items inside. This is what one example. This is what one example. Item.
Sir, can
is
you
having
the
collection of
record
items.
Inside list. Sorry, list inside record.
Exactly. This particular record is having collection of list of elements.
And how to index it?
What is it?
Indexing.
Indexing, that means you want to access a particular element or what? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to access a particular element or what?
Element.
Yes. For example, in the item, you want to extract this 0th one. So what do you call is the item? We take it. It is having 0 to some number of items are there. We want to pick out this 0, but it is not necessary for you because it is simply we compare if the item is it equal to banana, you can check it because any one of them it's going to be either item is going to be banana or it might be mango or it might be something else. Understood? One item cannot have that all of the values. Any one of them is definitely matching. Like, you know, if you go for that, let me share my screen. Look at. See, I'm going for sharing of shopping bills. Wait.
Hello, this is a CT topic, week 1 topic, is it?
Exactly, week 1 only. See, look at, I'm going for.
But in week 1, we did not have any videos on the list records and all.
Yes, that's what the thing. But they are asking that why this one. Yeah, look at here. Is it visible?
Yes.
See, look at.
No.
It's not visible. Is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, look at item
Yes,
is
sir.
having. It's a
Yes,
collection of. See, item is one particular item is having list of values like face wash is there, shampoo is there, onions is there, bananas is there. This is what list of values. Clear? And category is having list of values. Quantities are many, price is many, cost is many. Okay. So all this is list. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So here, this item is going to be one particular field. Clear? So inside of this, a list of values are available. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you will have that. Don't worry about it. You will have the future sessions more on it week 2. and you want to think about list inside a list, all this stuff is there, no worries.
So, Satya, you are taking a new topic which is not there in the week 1 video list.
Exactly. They are asking once they have been went for the when it is similar kind and comma separator, they are asking something like that. Is it possible that?
Excuse me.
The category will
I'm
also be a
sorry
list
for
now.
interfering.
Yeah.
Hello?
Is it possible
I'm-
they asked it? So that's what it is started the context. Sorry.
Excuse me. I'm sorry for interfering.
Yeah.
In lecture number 10, after 6th minute, actually this list of items was explained. Yeah, it's there. There is nothing.
List inside a list. List inside a list.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
In lecture number 10, after 6th minute,
Okay.
it was just said by just not and explained. The list of items can be stored as like this. So like that the professor was explained.
Okay.
You can watch that video if anyone have the recording to see.
Yeah. Don't worry. That's not a problem. You definitely these things are helpful for the next week also. Maybe all are basics, no, not issue.
Yeah.
The category will also be a list now. Like it contains same like items.
What is the
Yes,
typical?
sir. I have a same question. Means list can contain
categories.
same element.
Categories will also be a list now because it contains the same like items.
Same or different. So list can contain same or different, either homogeneous or heterogeneous. You can.
Yes.
So you not be the same. Like these are all integers. But when you come to here, one integer, one string, something you like a combination. No problem. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt from questions activity 1.9 question number 1, sir.
Wait. Let me go for that.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I have only one common doubt. It may be silly, but the thing I want to know is the sub-data types you have explained like marks, sequential number, and etc. Is just an example? Is the only thing exist?
Wait. Is it visible my screen?
Yeah, sir.
No, sir. No.
No, not.
Wait.
Yes, not visible.
For my screen share. Yeah. Here you are working about that sub data types, no?
Yeah.
So actually, this is one of the sample scenario. Like see, as and when you think that. See, look at I'm going with one example. So I'm sorry, why it is scrolling. Yeah. See, as and when if you go for that any real-time case study, like yeah. So like you went for any kind of PAN card number is there. So the PAN card number combination of alphabets is there, and you have numbers is there. So which is the basic data type is suitable for that? So definitely we have to go for integer. So that
might not be string.
Yeah, sorry. I'm very sorry. It's a string. Definitely it's sub data type of string. Clear?
Yeah.
So for example, you are going for any kind of movie. So that movie is having a rating value. Like maximum rating is user rating can be given with the value of 5 scaling rating. Then you have to choose that basic data type. What data type it is?
It's like a sequential number.
Yeah, sequence number, it's integer. What makes sure is don't make such sequence number is one kind of sub data type.
Okay.
Similarly, the movie review is one sub data type which is derived from integer.
Yes, yes.
Actually, the data types are thing which we are applying some filters and make it is available for our use. That's
exactly. See, data type, what it will tell you is what type of information you want to push it into computer.
Okay.
It tells
So
you
there
that
is nothing specific.
Exactly. It tells you that what kind of information you want to push it into the memory. Simple.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So that pushing information requires a sub data type. So for user identification. So storing like 99 value is meaningless. So you give the subname is marks. So that you'll know, marks is 99. Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, I understand.
Somebody is asking else. Somebody else. Hello?
Sir, I have doubt in sanity of data.
What is
Sir,
it?
can I ask?
Sanity of
sir,
data.
I have doubt. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is simple. It's a right data type, right data to be stored, something like that. See, look at we are going for that. What
Sir,
data
if
type?
two field have same, sir, if two field have same data type like string and we swap the value, like movie name and director name have same data type, string
Okay.
data type,
Okay.
and we swap the real value. In
So
movie name, I put director name and director name we put movie name.
movie name, you stored that Batman. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you stored that director name is going to be some XYZ.
Yes, sir. If we swap
Yeah.
the value,
So it will set the value, not issue then, not issue, no problem. But thing is, who is working on this application? You are doing the application. You are the developer. Okay. You are the developer. You are the developer, no?
yes, sir.
So as a developer, movie name Batman, okay, it is suitable, no worries. Director XYZ is suitable, not issue then. For example, some of the people has given a data to you to store it in. Movie name. So they have given you data. Movie name is what is SS Rajmouli.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then they have given director name as RR.
Yes, sir.
So you are a domain specific person. You are developing the application for a cinema theater, a movie theater. Clear? So at
Yes,
that
sir.
time, you should understand, oh, movie names never been there like this, so that there is a wrong in the data. So you have identified. So you bring this issue, the sanity of data issue is there. You bring this issue to the user. Something wrong in your data, please check once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they'll check it. They'll check it once and give it back to you. Simple.
Okay.
Can I ask?
There is no specific operations or operators to do that. Sanity of data is checking by itself. So you, as a developer, you need to, oh, this data is compatible for this one. So this is not compatibility. What do you call, it is making that a data which is not making a sense. That's what. Clear? Yeah.
Yes,
tell me.
So, sir, if it is written that any name, then it is not enclosed within the commas, like double inverted commas.
Tell me.
So it will be.
No, slow man. What are you
So
telling?
if it is written that name, like any ME, and it is asked to identify which type of data type it will come, like string or character or whatever.
Okay.
So, but name is not enclosed within a double inverted commas. It is simply written as any ME name. So we have to like consider it the values, like the name will choose like let's say anybody's name, like as you mentioned Rajamouli.
Yes. That's what the thing. The name
So we have
is mentioned as a string. Clear? You can store any kind of name here. Any kind of name. You can
So we have
store.
to consider the values written in that name.
Yes. It is a value must be a string data type. But the string you can give anything. No, nobody will stop you. Here nobody is stopping. Movie name you have given that Rajmouli. Nobody will stop you. Computer also doesn't trace out this one because this is a string data type. You are storing enclosed string. No worries, it stores. No worries. But only problem is whenever the data is not sanitized and stored into computer memory, what happens, whenever you do operations, okay, you search for an operation, you search for a director. Clear? You search for a director Rajmouli, but it shows that no record is found because no director name is already stored with Rajmouli. It is already stored like RR. Clear? It doesn't show any kind of error storing that. See, look at, even you think about, ATM machine.
What?
Hello? ATM machine, you know that, no? You will you withdraw
ATM
money?
machine.
Yeah,
Yes,
bank
sir, yes,
ATM
sir,
machine.
yeah.
Bank ATM machine.
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
So you are a graduate, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to operate the ATM machine?
Yes, sir.
So my father is not a graduate, he is a farmer. So he is also able to operate the ATM machine very easily. The reason is simple. All of this ATM machine, numerical keypad only it's there. Like, 0 to something like 9. So once they ask the PIN number, they sure that they don't violate this. They definitely enter that numbers only. Understood? So this kind of arrangement, they did it with the earlier checking of sanity of data. Maybe there might be a mistake. So they might store it like this, so that whenever the first ATM mission was made, they made the keyboard with combination of numbers and characters. If somebody asks a question, enter your PIN number, they might enter alphabets and numbers. So that's the thing. Oh, this is not perfect. So we do some kind of enhancement in the data setting. So they exclusively put that keyboard with only numbers. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So that's the reason. Sanity of data is the responsibility of the developer or domain expert. If you are a financial expert, you must be able to understand what is debit and credit in the bank. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is based on the application only, the sanity of data check we do. Huh? Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason. Sanity of data check, if you are getting, definitely you get a table of data. So you can easily identify, oh, this data is not suitable for this field. So definitely we do that answer as per the practice. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, can I leave the
Excuse me,
meeting
sir.
like our
Yeah,
stats class?
you can. Already we crossed at 6. Anybody else have questions? We can.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you please guide regarding the links for the meeting, because it's getting really chaotic here. We don't get link from any official
No,
website.
it's
Even in the
already
calendar,
YouTube.
it is not.
It's already YouTube live is there. So
Okay.
I will request the operational team. Hello.
Yeah.
I will request the operational team to send you the link of that live recording also. Okay. Okay then.
Secondly, it is already there in the calendar.
No, it's not mentioned. Sure, it's not mentioned there.
Where it is not mentioned, you mean?
No, it is
In
mentioned in the
calendar.
dashboard.
You mean the YouTube link is not mentioned?
Yeah.
To
Actually, what mentioned in the calendar is a Zoom meeting link, which is not a valid link. Because whenever I clicked on it, it shows it's not a valid link.
Others, don't worry. I'll ping this issue to that live recording link should be updated. So that you can refer it anytime in future you want.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, please tell activities questions. Practice question.
Yeah, you want that activity or practice question?
Yes.
Yes, Matt, I'll go ahead. So which particular activity?
Sir, activity 1.9, question number 1. And sir, in practice activities, question number 6 and 7.
1.9 you're asking, no?
Yes, sir. Activity assignment 1.9, question number 1. And in practice assignment.
First, let us finish with activity question. Activity
Okay,
1.9.
Okay, sir.
So 1.9 is having 2 questions.
Yes, sir.
So if the date transferred into a subdata.
Sir, actually, your screen is not visible.
Want to see? Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll share it. Okay, now is it visible?
Yes.
So it has 2 questions. The first question is the date transferred into subdata type of integer. Okay, subdata type of the integer, because already we know that dates are transferred or translated into that. Okay, so integer, the method mentioned in the lecture already given. So what would be the value of 15th August? So you need to count. It's a non-leap year. Definitely the days are going to be 0 to 364. No. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you need to find out that particular date is going to be. For example, 31st January is going to be that integer value is 30. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, right, sir.
So in that way, keep going. So you will get that the value of 15th August.
So according to this, we have to add all month starting from Jan till 15th August.
So initially you have to.
It's 226.
Yes, yes.
Initially,
Initially,
yes, answer is 226.
Yes.
And then we subtract 1 from the which I get those days.
Because 0 to it is size -1, max -1, no?
Yes, sir.
So similar way, after transforming the is it this question or this question is okay? First question is okay?
Yes.
Second one you want it? It's very simple, no?
Yes, sir. Multiply with 100.
Yes, yes. Now we want assignment, practice assignment.
Yes.
1.
Yes, sir.
In this,
question number 6 and 7.
question number 6 and 7. Yes. So execute on the scores data set. Clear? So arrange all the cards in the pile 1. Initialize A to B with 1000. So we are giving the maximum value. Okay. So whenever pile 1 is no cards are there, it is going to be stopped. Read the top card of the pile 1. Compare the maths marks with A. So definitely 1000 is there. 1000 is definitely greater than the maths marks because marks is not more than 100. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So during first card, so you are getting the first card marks into A. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So similar way, during first card of physics, you are getting first card physics into B. Clear?
Yes.
Then after it, we are moving to picking up the next card again for third step. Clear?
Yes.
Remember, we are not going for step number 2. We are going for third step. Once you go for the third step, A and B already contains that first card maths marks and first card physics marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If the second card maths is less than the first one, so then you are swapping. But then we are storing back with A. So what exactly here is happening? Every time the smallest maths marks we are getting into A, if and only you compare with the previous. Clear?
Yes, sir. Repeat once again, sir. This line.
See, every time. So first time it is we are comparing it 1000 with first student card of maths marks, first student card of physics marks. After that, we are going for third step. We are not going for 1000. So A and B already contains that first student marks. Maybe first student maths marks is 62. First student physics marks is something like 71. Clear?
Okay.
This is first student, first card.
Yes.
Then we are going for second student. So when you are comparing with second student, maybe he has that 32 in maths. 32 is less than 62. So we are getting A value overwritten with 32. Already existing 62 will go off. Clear?
Oh, yes.
But physics marks, maybe let it be he has 81, second student. 81.
Yes.
So now this 81 is not less than 72. So no particular value is replaced. B remains 71. So keep moving, keep moving. What is the value of A and what is the value of B? So you need to pick up all the cards and compare it. Which particular A value is smallest maths marks, which particular B value is smallest physics marks. Just you have to trace out it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's what called it is a practice assignment. You take the all set of cards 0 to 29 and compare each of them. Definitely you get simple solution within 5 minutes. Okay.
Yes, we got it, sir.
Fine.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir,
maybe you
how
think
to find the exact value of
what
A and B?
exact value means?
We will get the minimum mark of maths and physics, sir.
That's what the particular, it's a fill in the blank. You know, you have to type some value here. How do you type is you go to the cards data set. See, I'm sharing my cards data set. Yeah, here it is. Wait, I'm sharing. Wait. Shopping bills, scores data set. Yeah, it is. I'm sharing my screen. Huh?
So can I ask my doubt? So So graded assignment question number 9.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, sorry, I lost my power actually. So now I got back. I'm sharing my screen. Huh?
Yes.
Right. Again, I'm unable to screen. Yeah, it is. I'm not able to share my screen. Maybe host is again stopped it. Yeah. Actually, the host Pish, I think I lost my sharing option again. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. Okay.
You are audible, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible. Uh,
Yeah. So let me check with Ravi.
yeah. Again, I lost my.
So graded
Yeah. What's
assignment
your
question
doubt?
number 9.
Yeah.
Grade assignment question number 9.
Yes, sir. A small doubt in that.
Sir, can you check? I will check for the screen sharing. Yeah.
Okay.
In the question, it is not mentioned that we are putting the card in file 2 or not. So is it just a error, or I mean it's a question? Which right question?
Hello. Yes, Anshik. So in question number
No.
9, it's regarding the sanity of data, right?
So graded assignment question number 9. So it's asking for the value of A.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I was
Yes.
asking that they are not putting the card in file 2. That's a much needed process step that we need. Otherwise, it will enter a loop. So I mean, it's just an error, or is it the right
So like
question?
in question number 10, right?
Question number 9.
Question number 9 is regarding the sanity of data. So chart is question number 10.
In mine, question number 9 is shopping bills data set.
Okay. Okay. Maybe some randomized questions are there. Yeah. Right.
Yes, sir.
No, you have to consider the card, like even though if we are not mentioned that we are not putting in the like a separate bin, but it is also not mentioned that we are putting the same card again in the same file, right?
Yes, sir.
So
That's
it may be
the
put
main.
somewhere. Right? We have taken the card from the file out and just we are reading it.
So
We are
we
just
are
applying the condition. Yeah, we are not
okay.
putting
So
it
we are
again.
not revisiting the previous card, right?
No, no, no. We have not
Okay,
mentioned that
that's
specifically,
main.
right?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, you can ask. Only doubt regarding the questions you can ask.
No,
Yeah.
sir. One question I have not related to this. Sir,
Okay.
when will personalized tutorial session will start?
Personalized tutorial.
Yes, sir.
I didn't get that. You mean to say mentorship or what?
Yes, sir. Mentor sessions they allowed in this term.
Yeah. So did you register for that, right?
Yes, sir. But there is
Okay.
no update till now.
No. It's from Monday or Tuesday will start. Okay.
Okay.
So Tuesday, I think Thursday and Saturday, 3 days, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll send announcement if you're under registration. We'll send announcement regarding that. Yeah. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have doubt in practice assignment, question number 6 and 7. Sir is told, but when I doing this, sir, I don't know how to get answer, sir, by doing
Okay.
this.
Just 1 minute. Question number which 6 to 7, right?
6 and 7, sir.
Okay. So that is the value of A and value of B, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we already discussed this question in the yesterday's session, but I will discuss it once again. So see, we are taking the card from a particular pile out, and we are checking whether the mathematics marks is less than A. But initially the value of A is 1000, right?
Yes.
So anyway, the mathematics marks will be less than 1000, right?
What?
Because marks cannot be greater than 100, na? If you observe the scores data set, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Then suppose if I take the first card out, the mathematics marks is 75, then which is less than 1000. So what it will do in the fifth step, it will store the mathematics marks in A. So now the value of A is 75, not 1000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the value of physics marks is suppose 50, then it will get updated to B equals to 50. Now, if I take another card, now I will take one more card. I will take one more card and see. Okay. Now, in this case, the mathematics marks is say suppose 70, which is less than 75. Now that condition is get satisfied, right? 70 is less than 75 because now the value of A is 75, not 1000, right? Because we have updated it in the previous iteration, right? Now it will check, okay, 70 is less than 75, my condition is satisfied. Now it will update the value of A to 70. Same case it will happen in the case of physics marks. So, but if the marks is say suppose greater than 50, for example 60, but our previous value was 50, right? So physics marks
Yes.
B value is 50. So our condition is not true in this case. So it will not update the B value. So it will be as it is. So if you keep following this iteration, all the steps again and again, so what you will get at the last?
Sir, at last we get in mathematics 72 and in physics 66.
Yeah, so that's for only two card, right? So if we have 30 card like this, so we will get the minimum marks in mathematics and minimum marks in physics, right?
Sir, we have to tell minimum marks.
No. By this process, we will get that only. If you keep following the whole process, whatever I said, the value of A will be the minimum from among all the mathematics marks. The value of B will be minimum from all the physics marks. So at the end of the iteration, we will get the value of A, which is minimum mathematics marks from all the data sets, right? So you have to use course data set for that. Just go through all the cards one by one and see which one is the minimum marks, right? So that will be your answer for A and B. For B, it will be physics marks, and for A, it will be mathematics marks.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, because every time we are updating the value of A or B whenever the condition is satisfied, but the condition is having the less than A or B, right? So anyway, if we do whole iteration, we'll get the lesser value of all the among all the cards, right? So that will be minimum value in physics and mathematics, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone, any doubt? I think we are almost
Hello, sir.
done. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question, sir. Can personal tutoring also available for qualifier weak student?
I don't know. I don't think so, right? Yeah, no.
Sir, can you tell me about the NPTL? If you
NPTEL
have
is a different thing. Yeah. NPTEL courses, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah. So like you can just go to soyam.com. So all the courses available, you can go through it. Yeah. We may not be able to answer all the questions regarding NPTEL.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question regarding the content of week 1? So like one more thing, like from next week, we are having office hours session that is from 3 to 5 p.m. Okay, like from Monday to Friday. So we'll update the calendar. We'll send announcement regarding that also. So you can join that sessions also. So in that session, you can ask doubt regarding activity practice graded, or if the mentor, not mentor, if TA permits, you can ask the conceptual doubt also. Okay.
Yes, sir. One thing I have to say, please update the library calendar, library links because it
No,
not
calendar we
working.
have updated now. Yes, can you
Okay,
check?
sir.
Just refresh it and check for the Monday session. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Any other question? Anyone? Or else we can close the session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the session. We'll see you on Monday, 6 to 8, same time. Not same time, 6 to 8. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Excuse me.